Want your curls to pop like this, but not sure what to use? Well, stick around. I'm going to show you what my favorite products are to achieve an amazing wash and go. Hey guys, Karen with Curl House. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a certified trichologist, and the owner of the Curl House product line and the Curl House Academy, Let's Get Growing program. And today is all about products. I am going to tell you what my favorite products are to achieve an amazing wash and go. So you all know I love to rock my hair like this. This is my signature. And I have a ton of products to enhance my curls. So I figured on this video, why not just share them with you? So today I'll be doing a review of some of the products that I like. Now this is not a sponsored video for any one product. It's just the products that I have in my product arsenal, which is quite a few that I use to achieve my favorite look. So I am going to start with the product that I have in this wash and go style, and it is by the Doux, the Bee collection. So this is the Doux Honey Curl Custard. This stuff is amazing. I have just fallen in love with the Doux as of lately, but this is one of my favorite products. Now, this product gives my hair a very firm hold. So if you are a person that does not like a firm hold, you may want to stay away from this. In my opinion, for my hair, this gives me a firm hold. Now, I like myself a good firm hold like this. I love it. But some of you may not like a firm hold, and that's okay because I have something for you too. But how I use this, I always apply a moisturizer underneath any style I use. I don't care what the style is. I always apply a leave-in conditioner or a moisturizing cream underneath all styling products. Now, I know with many of the products by the Doux, if you read the label, they encourage you to apply it on clean hair with no product or no oil-based product underneath. That's what they encourage you to do on the label. I have tried it like that. It does not work for me like that because it just makes my hair dry. So I always apply something underneath my styling product. I don't care what product it is. But this hairstyle, this is with the Doux. Again, it is a harder, crunchier, snap, crackle, and pop style that I love. The Doux, the Honey Bee collection, or actually the Bee collection. This is the Honey Curl collection. Now, the other product by the Doux that I like just as much is Big Poppa. I even love these names. I did some research on the owners or the founders of this product line, and they love hip hop. So if you look at their product line, and if you really know hip hop, you'll instantly get the references. Big Poppa. I love it when you call me Big Poppa. Throw your hands in the air. Okay, hold on. Let me bring myself back. Let me bring myself back to present day. Anyway, the Big Poppa gel. This stuff is amazing too. This gives a very good hold. It's not a soft hold, but it is not a firm hold like the Bee collection. This is one, I would say this one is a little more universal, Big Poppa, because again, it gives a very good hold. It's not a drying hold. It's a firmer hold, and the curls last for a very long time, and your curls will pop. So between the two, if you were to pick just one, if you're not a super hard girl, but you want a hold, then go with the Big Poppa. But they both are fabulous. This one, the last time I checked, was out of stock. At the production of this video, it was out of stock, but this one is definitely in stock. This one is really good as well. If you want a nice medium hold, try the Big Poppa. Now, the next one in my arsenal of products that I like as well is Uncle Funky Daughter's Curly Magic. Have y'all heard of Uncle Funky's Daughter? They have been around for a long time. I remember meeting the owner like years ago. This is probably back in, I don't know, 2010, 2011, I can't even remember, at a natural hair show. Very, very kind, very, very nice people. But Curly Magic, this stuff is amazing too. It is glycerin based. So glycerin is a humectant. and humectants help your hair to draw and retain moisture. So the first few ingredients is water, glycerin, and aloe vera. Amazing ingredients. Extra moisturizing for your hair, will not give your hair a super hard hold, but will give your hair a nice medium hold so that you're able to get your curls popping. The reason I like Uncle Funky's Daughter, again, if I want a softer hold and a hold that is more moisturizing. To me, this hold of Uncle Funky's Daughter is very moisturizing for my hair. I absolutely love it. But just like the Doux, I always put something underneath here. I always put in a leave-in conditioner. This too gives an amazing hold and gives great slip for the hair and gives a very good sheen. So the reason why I like curling gels is because, particularly with my gray hair, they really help my gray hair, the curls to pop more, really help the curls to pop more, because my texture is different than how it was before going gray. That's why I prefer a gel as opposed to a curling cream for my hair. However, if you are a curling cream type of girl, I got something for you too. Do y'all remember Design Essentials? Design Essentials, you all, is still around. This is the almond and avocado cream, defining cream gel. It is not a gel or jelly. It is actually a cream. And this too gives very good hold as well. And it gives a softer hold. So essentially this cream gives the hold of a gel, but gives the softness of a cream. So it's a defining cream gel. So this one is really good too by Design Essentials. If you just do not like gels, you can try this one by Design Essentials. Now, if you are a mousse person, some of us may not like creams or may not like gels. So hey, I got something for you too. You can try a mousse. If you want something that has a very light hold, then Design Essentials also makes a mousse. This is the curl enhancing mousse. I absolutely love this too. This gives you a very fluffy look, and it doesn't give you a long hold. So I like to use this if I need a fluffy look in a day. So as you know, I like my hair to look big. And sometimes it takes a few days for my hair to really swell, for it to look really full the way I like it. But if I need instant fullness, volume in a day, I go with the cream. So this is one of the ones that I really like by Design Essentials, the Curl Enhancing Mousse. But again, it doesn't last no more than a day, but it does look good for a day. But if you are someone, even someone with fine hair, and you don't want to put a lot of heavy product on the hair, you may want to try a mousse. Now, two other mousses that I like. These are by the Doux, yet again. This one is the Mousse Death, like Mousse Death. Isn't that cute? And then Crazy Sexy Curl. I like both of these too. And very similar to the gels, this gives a good hold too. This gives a firmer hold, in my humble opinion. And many times when I use the mousse, I'll use the gel with the mousse sometimes to give even more definition. So that's why I like mousses, because sometimes I will use it with the gel to make my curls pop even longer. But both of these mousses are great. This gives a great hold, and it has, I would say this gives more hold than the Design Essentials one. It does give great hold. It gives your hair a lot of volume on day one. But again, a mousse does not work well with my hair when using it by itself. I know the label says, again, use it by itself. That did not work for me, but it did give me amazing hold, and it did make my hair very voluminous. Same thing with this one. This gives great hold too. Also, it makes my hair, gives it volume. So this is just a few recommendations. I just decided I would go into my product arsenal and just show you some of the products that I use in my hair to create this look. I will go ahead and put some links below. If you want to know where to get them from, I'll put some links below. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like the channel so that you do not miss a video in the future. And until we talk again, stay fabulous.